As a refresher, the heart has three layers. The innermost layer is the endocardium and also includes the heart valves. The middle layer, the actual muscle layer, is called the myocardium, and the pericardium is the outermost layer that surrounds the heart. In between the pericardium and the myocardium, there's pericardial fluid that provides for lubrication so the two surfaces don't rub against each other, just as we have in the pleural cavity between the visceral and the parietal pleura. Now, pericarditis is inflammation of the pericardium, and normal volume of that fluid around the myocardium or between the myocardium and the pericardium is usually about 10 to 15 milliliters. Now, causes for pericarditis can be viral, such as Epstein-Barr, varicella, HIV, and hepatitis, or it can be non-infectious causes, such as trauma from pacemaker insertion or any kind of cardiac diagnostic procedure. Radiation treatment, so any radiation to the chest, can cause inflammation of the pericardium. A dissecting aortic aneurysm can cause pericarditis, as well as myxedema, which is a complication of hypothyroid. Autoimmune disorders are also known to cause pericarditis, and this will be something like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, scleroderma, or any kind of drug reaction that the patient might experience.